Good morning, students. As we know, our sixth chapter is going on, and we are talking about Muhammad bin Tughlaq and his policies and and ideas, and that was not very workable and failed. So, in that list, we already talked about the very first cause here, that is the transfer of capital. So that was the failure idea also by the Muhammad bin Tughlaq, and a few reason behind it. Several factor promoted him to take this decision, but this was not a right decision that time, and the mainly two reasons behind it. Firstly, that one, the Devgiri actually had been a base from the expansion of the Turkish rule in India. First one, and it was in the center and important in comparison to Delhi. So this one, the very first cause of the transfer of the capital from Delhi to Daulatabad, and secondly, Delhi was very near to the northwestern uh, frontier, which was exposed to Mongols invasions. But Devgiri would be a safe place and almost free from the Mongols' raid, the attacks of Mongol. So this one, two reasons are very, he thought at that moment, very important to just take this decision. And however, the he ordered his officers, uh, including Sufi sons as well as the all people of Delhi, to shift Devgiri to Daulatabad. Okay, so however, the people were asked to shift, uh, and within a year, this was actually, this is this this is the fact that within a year the Sultan realized again his mistake, as Mongol attacked on the empty Delhi actually, and other local rulers of North India began to revolt. So within a short period, he decided to reverse his taken decision. So this was the two facts of, behind this decision, this idea, and failed, as you know. And the second one, we are going to talk about the token currency. Token currency. So this was the time of this idea that he just made up. That was in 1330 AD. What? 13 and 30. Okay, 1330, that is called CE also, we can say AD also. The failure of the above two plans and too much generosity of the Sultan caused a heavy loss to the treasury for money, but in his treasure. Okay, but he was badly in need of money. For this purpose, he issued the copper coins. This one you can see, the copper coins, these one. He introduced the copper coin, and uh, after this and which had the actually same value as those of golden or silver ones. And like other plans, this plan also what failed. People started making copper coins at their homes. Gold and silver currency immediately disappeared from the market, as the government had no control over these kind of coins, and they came easily in circulation. So the trade just came to an end, and the kingdom just became poorer than before. So as a result, the sultan had to just withdraw the scheme again. Which scheme? This kind of coin making, the and he withdrew all these things, this scheme, this idea again, and because it failed now, and he had to pay gold and silver coin in the exchange of these kind of copper coins from his treasury, that is called treasury. Okay, so this one, another idea by taken by the Muhammad bin Tughlaq, and also result is same, that was failed again. Next in my next video. Thank you.